this video, we'll walk through a practical use case, how you can use Cyclr to automate payments by connecting Shuttle payment platform with your accounting software, Oracle NetSuite. Here's a typical scenario. A new sales invoice is created in Oracle NetSuite. The user simply selects a custom field to decide whether a payment link should be generated and when it should be sent to the customer. With this automation in place, once the criteria are met, an email is automatically sent to the customer. This email includes a personalized payment link for collection, making it quick and convenient for your customer to complete the payment. As soon as the payment is processed successfully, a corresponding payment record is automatically created in Oracle NetSuite, saving time, reducing errors, and streamlining your entire payment process. We'll be using the Cyclr embedded iPaaS platform to build this integration, connecting Oracle NetSuite with the Shuttle app to bring this workflow to life. Before we dive into the build, let's take a quick look at what the Shuttle app does. Shuttle is a unified payments marketplace that connects users with multiple payment providers through a single streamlined platform. It simplifies the checkout experience, enhances payment flexibility, and increases conversion rates by offering a variety of payment options, all accessible through one easy integration. To connect Shuttle to our automation, the first step is to install the Shuttle connector. This connector was developed by our team at Cyclr to make the integration process as seamless as possible. Cyclr have taken care of the complex authentication workflows and translated most of Shuttle's API endpoints into easy-to-use, ready-made methods. This means you won't need to manage raw API requests or write complex code. Everything is designed to be as straightforward as possible. To begin, we'll add a NetSuite method called listInvoice within the Cyclr integration template. Inside this setup, we'll include a query filter to make sure that only invoices with the self-defined field generate payment link in Shuttle selected are extracted. Once that's in place, we'll move on to adding the getInvoice method. In the setup screen, we'll perform field mapping to ensure the invoice ID is correctly linked to the invoice retrieved in the previous step. After that, we'll add the getCustomer method. This step retrieves important data from the associated customer record, such as the email address. With that information, the system can automatically send a personalized payment link to the customer through any connected email platform. Cyclr provides a wide range of utility connectors and tools that allow you to build complex business logic without writing any code. In this example, we'll check whether the payment link should be generated and sent today. To do this, we'll add a decision step, which captures another self-defined field called date to send the payment link. Inside the setup, you'll see that we can apply simple inline JavaScript to capture today's date, convert it into the correct format, and then check if it matches the date set in the invoice. If the condition is met, we'll generate a payment link using the Shuttle connector. This is done by simply dragging and dropping the corresponding method into the workflow. From here, we can customize the payment details, such as the amount, description, currency, and message, all of which can be automatically pulled from Oracle NetSuite using the data retrieved in the previous step. Once the payment link is created, it can be sent through any email service, such as Gmail or Microsoft 365. In this example, we'll use Gmail. Within the send email method, you can configure the parameters, design your own email template, and dynamically insert the payment URL that was generated earlier. Next, we'll push the payment information back into Oracle NetSuite. To do this, we'll add the update invoice method into the automation workflow. With Cyclr's intuitive form-based interface, field mapping is quick and straightforward. For example, we can take the payment link URL generated during the payment link creation step and map it directly to the corresponding fields in NetSuite. After that, we'll add a cross-reference table, one of Cyclr's utility connectors, to store the mapping between the Oracle NetSuite invoice internal ID and the payment link ID. This allows us to maintain a clear relationship between the two records, which can be referenced in any future workflow. Inside the configuration, we'll set Entity 1 ID to source from the Oracle NetSuite invoice ID and Entity 2 ID to source from the payment ID created in Shuttle's payment link step. And that's it. You've just built a fully automated payment link generation workflow directly from Oracle NetSuite, powered by Cyclr. To receive real-time updates when a payment is completed, you can easily build an additional integration workflow with just a few simple steps. We'll start by dragging and dropping the pre-built payment link complete method onto the canvas. This method acts as a webhook trigger, activating automatically once a payment has been successfully completed. Next, we'll use the getCrossReference by entity2id method to find the corresponding invoice ID using the payment link ID received from the Shuttle webhook. With that data in hand, we can then call the Oracle NetSuite method createCustomerPayment, which generates the matching payment record linked to the invoice ID. Cyclr also provides a range of other pre-built webhook triggers such as payment expired, payment failed, payment pending, and payment updated. These can be combined to create customized workflows that perfectly align with your business processes. In summary, building automation workflows for this integration use case is both simple and powerful with Cyclr's pre-built connectors for Oracle NetSuite, Shuttle, and Gmail. And the possibilities don't stop there. Cyclr integrates with more than 500 popular SaaS applications, including leading platforms like Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. With Cyclr's low-code workflow builder, you can design and launch custom automations for your tech stack without the complexity of traditional development. Thanks for watching, and we hope this inspires you to take your business automation to the next level.